Tailwind Nutrition in Durango, Colorado produces nutritional energy supplements containing blends of dextrose, sucrose, fructose, electrolytes, amino acids, caffeine, coconut milk proteins, and other ingredients. To boost capacity and cut cleaning time between changeovers, the company replaced its previous blender with a Munson Rotary batch mini mixer, which rotates on external roller bearing assemblies, eliminating the need for an internal shaft and shaft seals. It takes 5 minutes to load up to 15 cubic feet or 425 liters of major ingredients into the mini mixer, and an additional minute to add secondary ingredients. Internal mixing flights affixed to the drum's smooth interior wall impart a 4-way tumble, turn, cut, and fold mixing action, achieving batch uniformity in 2 to 3 minutes, or about half the time of the previous mixer, with no shear, degradation, or dusting. The flights also direct material toward and through a plug gate valve throughout discharge, preventing stratification or segregation, and evacuate the mixing drum with no residual, eliminating wasted product and requiring only a sanitizing water wash and air drying for 20 to 30 minutes. Munson also offers larger versions of the rotary batch mixer with stationary inlets and outlets in capacities up to 600 cubic feet or 17 cubic meters, as well as 5 other types of mixing and blending machinery and 8 types of size reduction equipment. To solve your mixing and blending or size reduction problem with the highest possible efficiency, visit munsonmachinery.com or call 315-797-0090.